quite emotional, really. Because that many people being killed with the knives.
A wonderful turnout in Middlesbrough Centre Square to mark the arrival of a travelling sculpture which has stopped off here in Teesside. A temporary angel of the north, if you like. The 27-foot-tall knife angel has arrived in Middlesbrough, having previously been on display in Liverpool, Coventry, Hull and Birmingham. Its purpose, to raise awareness of knife crime.
My last piece, about 4 years ago, was a giant gorilla, a 13-foot gorilla. And I just finished that, and I wanted to make something big and powerful. And at the time, knife crime and violence was everywhere on the news. So I thought, you know what, it'd be fantastic to be able to use the weapons taken from the police, all the knives, blades that were used, either taken off the streets or used in crimes. I wanted it to be really massive and empowering, just so people can understand the amount of weapons out there.
The names engraved on the angel's wings symbolise family members and friends lost due to knife crime. One of the names, a 17-year-old son and brother, who was stabbed in Redcar in 2003.
My brother was killed in 2003 and my mum's run a campaign and foundation ever since then called the Chris K Foundation. I think it's going to be used as an educational tool, and that's how it's going to raise awareness. Every single one of them knives was taken off the street, covered in blood and things like that. It's something really special to me for it to be in the North East. Yeah.
When you see it like this, and you realise that and each one of those, that family's impacted, and that's impacting hundreds of people potentially.
100,000 blunted blades of a striker message, and will remain here for a further 4 weeks before the angel embarks on its next journey. Will Fox for North East Live in Middlesbrough.